Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Jai Gallo with Platform, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Platform account to your Drip account. Drip is an email automation tool and CRM. And a quick reminder, if you need any help with connecting your Platform account to your Drip account or anything else within inside Platform, you can navigate to the Platform Support Hub. From within the Support Hub, you can go through all of our frequently asked questions, and these are drop-down menus. Or you can go to Chat with Us and chat with us live when we're online, or you can submit a ticket, or you can click the Help Docs link and go through our knowledge base of documents to get more in-depth information about Platform. The purpose of today's integration with Drip is going to be so that when you sign up Platform members, you can have them automatically sent to Drip and tagged with a certain tag. The Platform Drip integration is a little bit different from the other email integrations. The other integrations rely on sending members to certain lists. The difference with Drip is that when a member gets imported into the account, they will get tagged with a tag instead of dropping on a list. Tagging the members as they're imported in the Drip is going to make it easier for you to automate sequences within Drip. So that's why we're using tags instead of lists. To complete this automation, you are going to need a Drip account. If you don't have a Drip account, you can go to drip.com and get yourself a free Drip account. For the remainder of this video, I'm going to assume that you already have a Drip account. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is sign into your Drip account. From my Drip dashboard, I'm going to click People and Tags. And I'm going to make sure I have a tag assigned here. And I made one called Platform so that I can identify my users when they come into Drip. The next thing I want to do is I want to go down to the lower left-hand corner and click the gear icon to manage my account. And I'm going to go to User Settings. And at the bottom here, you can see API token. I'm going to copy that API token, and then I'm going to go back to my Platform account. I'm going to go to App Settings. I'm going to go up here to Marketing, and I'm going to find Drip in the email marketing integrations. And Platform is asking me for Drip's API token, so I'm going to paste that in using Control-V on my keyboard. And then I'm going to click Save. And now a drop-down menu appears underneath the API. And you can see the tag that I had created in my Drip account is now available for selection. I'm going to select that, and I'm going to click Save. And now our Platform account is fully integrated with Drip. So now with any integration, we always want to test this out before we go live and start sending traffic to it. Let's go ahead and do that now by creating a new member in Platform. So go to Members, click Add Member, and we're going to add Alex again. Okay, once I click Save, Alex should be created as a member in my Platform account, and then he should be shot over to Drip via the integration. So let's test out now by clicking Save. All right, so now we see that Alex is created as a member inside of Platform. And now we can go back over to our Drip account and see if he is in there. All right, so I'm going to go to People. I'm going to go to Active. And as we can see, alexcobbplatform@gmail.com is in here. So he was imported over. Let's see if he was assigned a tag as well. So we're going to click Profile Tags and Fields. And as we can see, he is tagged Platform. So now what that'll allow us to do is that'll allow us to start Alex on any kind of workflow within Drip that you could create based upon his tag. So that's how you'd start him on a workflow. So we can consider this integration with Platform and Drip a complete success. Everything worked the way it's supposed to. If you have any questions, hit us up in support, and we will see you on the next video.